How to merge videos in Reelshot. Merging videos in Reelshot allows you to combine multiple clips into one continuous sequence, creating a complete story or seamless transition. This guide will show you how to easily join your video segments. Before merging, ensure all the video clips that you want to combine are already imported into your Reelshot project and placed on the timeline into your desired order. You can easily drag and drop clips to rearrange them. For a seamless merge, ensure that there are no gaps between the clips that you want to join. Drag them so they are perfectly adjacent on the timeline. Reelshot will automatically combine adjacent clips when exported or through specific merge functions. In most video editors, like Reelshot, simply having clips sequentially on the timeline will result in them being merged into one continuous video upon export. If Reelshot offers a specific merge tool, you might select adjacent clips and tap on it. Otherwise, proceed to export and your clips will be seamlessly combined. You've successfully merged videos in Reelshot. Tell your story seamlessly. Like and subscribe for more Reelshot workflow tips.